Do you want to spend hours doing that? Or seconds doing this? SneakERASERS, the instant shoe sole cleaner. Available now at SneakERASERS.com. Our pre-moistened SneakERASERS are individually packaged and perfect for touch-ups on the go. Our pre-moistening formula has no harsh chemicals. Now, these will certainly make your oldest, dirtiest shoes look better, but that's not what these are really intended for. These are for keeping your favorite pairs of shoes looking like new. SneakERASERS work well on all kinds of shoes, especially those with white soles. These are super convenient and easy to keep in your luggage, your gym bag, your purse, your glove box. Just lightly swipe the SneakERASERS sponge and watch those scuff marks and any other buildup disappear. Our 10-pack of SneakERASERS is perfect for keeping at home under the sink. Just simply add water to fully activate the sponge. These are perfect for those heavy-duty jobs, the deep cleaning on shoes that really need it. Just rinse it out, let it air dry, and the next time you need it, just simply add water to fully reactivate your SneakERASERS sponge. Available now at SneakERASERS.com.